Hello and welcome. I've quit the car industry 3 separate times in my life. I started as a salesperson and worked my way all the way up to a director of pre-owned operation. I noticed one major problem with car dealerships, and that is the sellers looking to trade in are never happy with the price that they get for their vehicles. So there's only 2 options you have when you're looking to sell your vehicle. You can go to a dealership, trade in, and get a really lowball offer. The other option is to try and list it online on Kijiji or Facebook or any of the other online marketplaces. They come with a lot of work. You need to meet with strangers. You need to know how to price your vehicle properly. You need to find a shop that'll inspect the vehicle. So there's some problems with trying to sell yourself privately. What I've created is a company called Purr.ca. Now it is the best of both worlds. It helps you get private sale money without doing any of the work. We will have authorized dealerships in your local town list your vehicle for sale, deal with clients, offer financing, close the deal, and end up getting you your big check at the end once it's all said and done. One reason that they can sell it a lot faster than what you or most other people can is because these dealerships offer financing. A buyer in today's market usually doesn't have a lump sum. So what this platform does is offers financing options. A buyer can now pay in financing terms, so maybe $300 a month, and it helps hold the price higher so you can get your vehicle sold faster and for more money without doing any of the work. So you can see it is the best of both worlds, and this entire company was designed to have the sellers get as much money as possible without doing any of the work. Sellers always know what their vehicle's worth, they just don't know how to get what it's actually worth. So they settle for down here at the wholesale or trade-in prices. And that leaves room for dealerships and other people to buy low and then sell high. When you buy low from one person and sell high to the next person, the person in the middle captures all that money. So with Purr.ca, you get to choose the price you want to list your vehicle for, and then the dealership will sell it for that price and just take off a small piece so they can pay their salesperson, pay for marketing, advertisement. They will pay to get your vehicle cleaned. All those pieces that you don't pay anything up front. How it works is you will go to Purr.ca, you'll click sell, you will list your basic vehicle information. That dealership will then take the pictures, get the vehicle inspected, post it online on all the major platforms, including their website, including Purr.ca, and then they will field all the customers for you and get you your money once the vehicle is sold. So if you're thinking about getting your vehicle sold, our entire mission is to help sellers not get ripped off ever again. There's no better way to get more money for your vehicle than Purr.ca. So if you want to get your vehicle listed, go to Purr.ca, Purr.ca, and submit your form on the seller side, or go to buy and browse all the vehicles that are for sale by other fellow private sellers. Thank you very much and have a great day.